The process of reintegration into society is not easy.
Come on. Come on, let's go.
Goodbye, see you later.
Piper, go give it to the horsey. Oh my God, what are you doing? Put it back in, under.
Hope he will have enough time to study this carpet.
Oh, you want to come in?
Under any circumstances, nothing could be more important than life.
Come on, inside. Want to come in?
Sometimes dogs have to make you doubt the world.
What are you doing?
You say you only love me. Men are always the same.
Oh my God, he's looking.
Gizmo, who's here?
Humans, hurry up. I'm going to be late for school.
Where's Dad? Where'd he go? You gotta turn around. Gizmo, look over there. Turn around. Where's your dad? You don't know? Oh, buddy.
Why did you get blazing hot out of nowhere?
I know.
Stop. You gotta go.
Point of view, you met your crush without makeup. Remember that there is no one in this world who doesn't love money. There's nothing more important than your noble self-image.
¡Ven!
¿Cómo chicos me voy a enojar con ese?
¡Ven!
Refusal of food is something dogs can't let happen.
Put it under the chops.
Is there a flock of dogs who want to receive this unique member? When my best friend shows great concentration.
Look at my damn dog.
Does anyone know the name of this meditation pose?
Sunburn on her cooter. Legs, are you alive?
Drop the
Building a good strategy is an indispensable skill.
I'm gonna open the door. Don't pick up the duck again. You can enter without the duck. Leave the duck outside. Let's go. No, I said leave the duck outside, Juice. Give me the duck.
You probably already know. Poke the bestie in the most dangerous and stimulating game.
Your pet is clingy.
What are you doing?
Wait a minute, I won't let you bathe alone.
nice. Theoretically, she will understand that she is supposed to take care of it.
Vicious pit bull check.
Mum, let me protect your fingers for you. You before your date with your crush. Hey, get out of the way or I'll call the police. Don't forget to check the quality of the food carefully.
Hey, we're going to the vet. Is that how you feel? What are you getting mouthy for?
What a waste to miss the beautiful scenery.
What are you mouth? You crying?
Enough. No.
Beautiful visuals are the best communication skills. The price of curiosity. It's impossible to refuse to be loved.
Open the door or I'm gonna throw rocks through your windows, you dumb whore.
Where there's sausage, there's a pug. When you've just applied the serum on your face.
No! No!
Clumsiness is a skill that not every normal person has.
You see them deer?
Point of view, you finally meet the green flag in your life.
Do you want them deer? You want them deer? You're not getting them deer. No.
Mac, did you chew my favorite blanket?
The moment you know you're about to have your junk food confiscated.
Bacon, get off the couch.
I'm sorry, Mum, but Dad's the one who taught me how to flirt.
Bacon, get off the couch.
Hey man, I only have 5 seconds for meekness.
Bruno. Hey.
The reason dogs lose weight without exercise. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.